Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Terry. I am going to preview your Unit 1 teacher test over elements, compounds, and chemical and physical changes. I'm going to read the questions to you. I have to read quickly because we only have so much time, so if I go too fast, pause and answer your question on the test on Canvas, and then resume the video when you're ready. All right, question 1. Sulfuric acid has the chemical formula H2SO4. Which statement is correct? There are 2 different kinds of elements in H2O4. There are 3 different kinds of elements in H2SO4. This is only one element, not a compound, or no answer text provided. Question 2. Which of the following answer choices correctly fills in the blanks in the table below? All right, so in this column we have elements. In this column we have compounds, so we're looking for the elements. Is it NO, C? Is it HE, CH3? Is it CO, FeO3? Or is it CO, Fe? Which of these are elements only? Question 3. Bella was conducting an experiment. She mixed hydrogen peroxide with a piece of liver. She saw bubbles, a color change, and she measured a temperature change with her thermometer. Based on this evidence, Bella decided that the reaction was a chemical reaction. What evidence did Bella gather that supported this decision? Was it the color change? Was it a temperature change? Was it bubbles? Or was it all of the above? Question 4. Abigail mixed milk with vinegar to see what would happen. Abigail waited 5 minutes after she mixed it. She saw that the milk had turned chunky and solid. Abigail remembers that this means there has been a chemical reaction, but can't remember what it's called. What is it called when a chemical reaction produces a solid? Is it A, penguicupate? We haven't talked about that. Compounds, bubbles, or precipitate? Question 5. What do the letters H and O represent in the chemical formula H2O? Is it molecules, mixtures, compounds, or elements? Question 6. How many elements are in the following chemical formula? Na2Cl3O4. How many elements are in this formula? Are there 5? Are there 2? Are there 4? Or are there 3? Question 7. Is He an element or a compound? Compound? No answer. Element? Or no answer. Question 8. How many elements are in He? Are there 3, 2, 4, or 1? Question 9. Hg2SO4. Is it an element or is it a compound? A compound or element? Question 10. How many elements are in Hg2SO4? So now what we want to know, how many elements are in this formula? Are there 2? Are there 4? Are there 1? Are there 3? Question 11. Is OSO3 an element or a compound? Compound or element? Question 12. How many elements are in OSO3? Are there 4, 3, 1, or 2? Question 13. Is O4 an element or a compound? Element or compound? Element or compound? Question 14. How many elements are in O4? Are there 3, 2, 1, or 4? Question 15. Is H4O4Zr an element or compound? Element or compound? Element or compound? Question 16. How many elements are in H4O4Zr? How many elements are there? Are there 2, 3, 1, or 4? Sorry, I have a cold. I keep sniffing. All right. Which statement would apply only to the elements side of this Venn diagram? Is it made from more than one element? Is it essential for life found on Earth and formed in chemical reactions? Is it pure substance? Is it made from one element and found on the periodic table? Which of these goes only over here? Question 18. Which statement would apply only to the compound side of the Venn diagram? Is it made from more than one element? Made from one element found on the periodic table? Is it pure substance? Is it essential for life found on Earth and formed through chemical reactions? Question 19. Which of these pictures represents the element sulfur as a solid? So what is showing a solid here in these containers? Is it A, is it B, or is it C? Question 20. Which of the following is not a sign that a chemical change has occurred? Not a sign. Is it the formation of a precipitate, color change, bubbling, or breaking into pieces? Which of the following is a chemical reaction? Is it water boiling, cutting paper, water evaporating, or burning coal? Last question. Which of the following is an element? Is it NaCl, capital O, capital H, capital O2, CH3O4? Okay, when you have answered all 22 questions, you may submit your quiz. Good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.